All right, Jerry, thanks so much. Well, I am filling in for Francesca Amaker this morning with a look at what's happening in other news. Get ready to get the scoop today on how much Facebook knows about you and whether that information was shared without your knowledge. This is the day that Facebook will begin alerting the 87 million users whose data was harvested by Cambridge Analytica. That's the London-based company that used the information to help with voter targeting during President Trump's campaign in 2016. How will you know if you're impacted? The company will post a link at the top of your news feed that lets you see which apps are connected to your Facebook account and what information those apps can see.